In this video, I will show you how to install Adobe Express in your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Play Store. So I'm going to go ahead and look for Play Store on my Android phone. Play Store. Open up your Play Store. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on search right here. Then click on search app and type in Adobe Express. Then hit on search. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using this app to create video, AI video, photos, as the case may be. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on install. After a successful installation, click on open. Then go ahead and click on continue. What brings you to Adobe Express? Work or side hustle, students, K-12 educator, or personal? You can choose anything that describes you right here. So I'm going to select work or side hustle. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then here you go. You have different templates right here in Adobe Express. You can slide this way and see different options. Click on templates right here. This allows you to see more templates right here. Click on here to expand and see more as the case may be. So with this particular app, you can literally create anything such as social media template ads, video, photos, editing, and then slide this way and use generative AI, create documents, web page, and marketing content as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Adobe Express, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.